My dear 11 students, pure welcome. आज हम लोग मोल कॉन्सेप्ट पर आधारित कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स समझते हैं। सपोज करो कि तुम्हें नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकालना है 46 ग्राम सोडियम में, 88 ग्राम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में। तो हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? बहुत सिंपल है। आपका क्वेश्चन होगा कि डिटरमाइन the number of moles in 46 gram of sodium. So formula will be number of moles of sodium is equal to weight in gram by atomic weight. Weight in gram is 46 gram, that is given in your question, and it is divided by its atomic mass 23. The atomic mass of sodium is 23, that you know. If the given mass is divided by 23, we can get the number of moles, because 1 mole is equal to atomic mass, gram atomic mass. In the second case, if we want to determine the number of moles of carbon dioxide, so its weight is already given, 88 gram, divided by its molar mass, that is 44 gram. So we can get 2 moles. Similarly, the number of moles of atoms and number of moles of molecules can be determined. If we want to determine the number of moles of gas, then the volume of the gas will be given. For example, if we want to determine the number of moles of hydrogen gas, if 44.8 liter are given, then the number of moles will be given volume divided by molar volume. Given volume is 44.8 by molar volume is 22.4 liters. एक चीज़ यहाँ ध्यान देते हैं कि जो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू लिख रहे हैं या जो भी वैल्यू दिया हुआ है उसका यूनिट इक्वलाइज करते हैं। न्यूमेरिकल्स में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि यूनिट्स को देखना। तो इफ़ वी लुक ओवर इट, देन देयर विल बी नो रॉन्ग आंसर. So given volume divided by molar volume, given volume is 44.8 and molar volume is 22.4 liter. It will be cancelled by 2. The number of moles of hydrogen gas will be 2. So 2 moles whose volume is equal to 44.8 liters. Similarly, third type question may be asked, determine the number of moles of carbon if 12.44 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms are given. So it is quite easy to solve this type of question. Number of moles of carbon is equal to given number divided by Avogadro number. Given number is given number is equal to 12.44. It is already given 12.44 into 10 to the power 23, and it is divided by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So we can get 2. Number of moles of carbon is equal to 2, means 2 moles. So in this way we can solve different kinds of numerical problem. What would be the number of moles of hydrochloric acid if 5m solution with 4 liters? It is quite easy to solve. Number of moles of HCl is equal to molarity into volume in liter. Molarity is 5 and volume is 4. So 5 4 ja 20. 20 moles of HCl will be required to produce 5m solution. 5m solution. That's all today.